Hello guys, good morning. Well, this is Bruce from China. From China, we are at this place. We are doing some parts to build our gasoline bikes. And you see all this twisted part. They are fabricated by this machine. As I talked to the boss here, they produce the machine by themselves, and they sell the machine here in China, and they export the machine to different countries as well. And this is brand new. Maybe this is a semi-finished product. Maybe, I don't know. It's my first time in here. That's nice, man. This is brand new. Let's see their product. I mean, this is really interesting, my brother. This is really interesting. Check this out. So they can bend the tubes in different dimensions. 3 dimensions maybe, or maybe a little bit more. Now let's check this out, man. It's not bad, huh? It's not bad, isn't it? It's not bad. So the machine could be really good stuff, man. This and this as well. So the tubes will be. I mean, there will be. It's a program. It's a programmed. Everything is programmed. Let's see how it operates. So everything they have data in here. No.
我的时间只是用来打样品的，不干批量的。
打哪样？确认好样品。
对，样品是为了验证这个数据的可能性嘛。
So this is what it is, man.
再给你弯一个。
哎，左边。
再弯一边了之后，再弯另外一边嘛。
对。
弯两圈。
啊，对。
好。万个问题看的话，看错了或者哪里有问题的话。
So this is what it is, man. This is what it is. You see? What do you think? What do you think? Alright, so that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Maybe you will be interested in the machine, huh? Maybe you will be interested in the machine. They are the supplier here in China. They're the manufacturer, maybe. As I talk to the boss, they produce the machine by themselves. Alright, maybe. Alright, thank you, bye-bye.